Hey everyone, Stu here with Ukulele Zen. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to invite you to another live stream ukulele lesson and jam session this Sunday, May 10th. I'll be going live at 2 p.m. New York City time. Hope you can join me live or for the replay. There are links in the description below. Please share them with your ukulele and music-loving friends. The links are for the watch page. Again, you can watch anytime as a replay. There's another link down there to get the song sheets and lesson materials. We'll be focusing on just one song and one song only for the whole lesson, and that is the Rolling Stones' I Can't Get No Satisfaction. I know, it seems like, why would he spend all this time on just one song? Well, the reason is that we're going to go deep into it. I'm going to show you some really cool techniques for rock and roll strumming on your uke. We'll be learning that classic riff by Keith Richards in a couple of different ways to play it. I'll be answering your questions. I'll even play some tunes for you. Maybe I can play some didgeridoo again if that's cool. And of course, throughout the entire lesson, I'll be sharing tips of how to practice to make the learning more effective, and also tips on how you can create a music practice that really nourishes and relaxes you during these very tough times that we're in. I hope you can join me live or at the replay. Check the links below, share them with your friends, and I hope to see you this Sunday, May 10th, 2 p.m. Tell your mom you love her. It's Mother's Day, and I love you too. I look forward to seeing you at the live stream. Thanks so much. Take good care.